Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to send money on Venmo. Alright, so let's begin. So to get started, you're going to open the Venmo app on your phone and it'll bring you to this home page first. And to send money to someone else, you're going to click on that V in the middle. Now here you can type in the person's name, their Venmo username, their phone number, or their email. If you're together with the person that you want to send money with, another great way to do it is to use the QR code. So when you're searching, you could click this button for QR code and then click scan code, and then you ask the other person to bring up their code on their phone, and then you will scan it with your phone to send them money. When you find the right person, click on their name, click next. If you're trying to send money to someone you have not sent money to before, Venmo might ask you for the last 4 digits of the person's phone number. This is just a security check to make sure that you've got the right person. Then you're going to type in the amount of money you want to send to the person, and then down here, you need to write something about what it's for. Then click pay. Now notice here you have an option for privacy. You have a choice of having it public to everyone on the internet, to just your friends, or private. And here you can choose where the money is going to come from. If you have a balance of money in your Venmo, it will only use that amount. But if your Venmo balance doesn't cover the whole transaction, it will use your other payment method. So for example, if you wanted to send $10, but your Venmo balance was only $8, it's going to put the whole $10 on your debit card if that's what you chose. You can choose a bank account or a debit card for free. If you add in a credit card, it's going to charge you a 3% fee for using it. At the bottom, you'll see there's this option that says turn on for purchases. This is sort of a consumer protection thing, and it does charge a fee to the seller that you're sending money to. Then you're just going to click pay and your money will be sent. And that's it. This is how you can send money on Venmo. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.